Meaning of disavowal.
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 Disavowal. Disavowal refers to the act of rejecting or denying any association with a person, organization, belief, or action. It is commonly used in legal and political contexts to disclaim responsibility for something that is considered undesirable or controversial. The result of a disavowal can range from reputational damage to legal immunity, depending on the specific circumstances. By disavowing a particular individual or group, someone can distance themselves from any negative consequences associated with them, but may also risk alienating supporters or partners who share similar beliefs or goals.